To hide Edge panel content on lock screen on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra for added privacy, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the quick settings panel, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find display. Tap display. Scroll down the screen. Tap Edge panel. Next, tap panels. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right. Tap hide on lock screen. Here you can choose panels to hide its content on the lock screen when you are using a secure screen lock. As the example, we will hide people panel. To see the result, go to the lock screen. Drag the Edge panel handle toward the center to open up the Edge panel. As you can see, the content of people panel is hidden. To access it, tap the panel and then enter your screen lock. Given to the function, this feature is useful when you want to keep certain Edge panel content private on the lock screen, whether it's your favorite apps, contacts, or tasks. Hiding them ensures only you can access them securely. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.